everyone. Today I'll be talking about an initiative taken by two young girls, Tara and Freya. Both of them are animal lovers, and their website is called doggydreams.in. So basically, it's a website for pet adoption and foster. Uh, I feel foster is a very interesting concept because all of us may not be very comfortable with straight away adopting a dog or a cat, and it gives you an opportunity to see what it will be like to take care of a pet. So this is a very different concept. You can actually see the challenges that you may face with your lifestyle, and of course I believe the thing will be that you can't just pick a dog and adopt it. There are certain dogs, who are more friendly than some of the others. So there'll be restriction when it comes to that. But overall, I just love the concept because what I've experienced over the years is a lot of people they pick up a pet and after some time they realize they are not really able to handle the pet, and some of them are just left on the street. So I feel that's one interesting concept, along with integrating the pet adoption, trying to make it as easy as possible. And so far, which is very interesting, the girls have been able to integrate 9 cities and 19 different organizations onto their website, and they already have more than 100 dogs. So I feel it's a very nice gesture, and I feel if you're looking for a dog or a pet, they initially wanted to start with dogs, but I believe by the time they formulated everything, they got dogs and cats. So you can visit the website. There are pictures of the dogs that are there for adoption. You can click on the pictures, get to know more about the dogs, because all the dogs, they have their own character. It's like humans, all of them are very different. Some of them are quite old, some of them are very young. So depending on what you are looking for and the environment that you live in, you can actually pick someone who would adjust very well. And of course, a bit of behavior um, insights would be given on the website. So if you're looking to adopt one of the pets, please go to these sites, and there will a lot of rescued pets who will also be there. So please try to give them a good home. And I've been a big pet lover, especially dogs. I love dogs, so I feel they're the best that you can have, irrespective of the stress and the tension in your life. The way they treat you, it's just remarkable. It's an experience that you need to have. And so I would like to wish both the girls, all the very best, and hopefully, it will do really well. And yeah, all the best.